Hello, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing? How are we doing? How is it today? How has it been going? How is it going? How is everything over that side? Over to my end, I'm doing great. Please come through. Let us get the day started. Let us get the day started. So, please. I am waiting on you. Let us see how the day is going to play out, how everything is going to be today. So come through, come through, come through. I am definitely waiting on you. Right, for the new people that are joining in for the very, very first time, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to see you come through. Please, as we move on, as we go into the day with our trading, learning a few things here and there, like and subscribe because I want you to stick around from today if you are new to the end of time. So please join in. Let me know exactly how you are doing, how everything is going, how it is over that side. So join in. Let us see how everything is going to move about. Okay. Just trying to finalize with my setup over here. Please keep coming through, keep coming through, and let us see how each and everything is going to play around over there. I am saying blessing. Hi, blessing. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. I'm seeing my friend over there. That is DJ System. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. So do not worry about anything. I cleared everything. All is well. And I'm so sorry. That is to DJ System. I really, really apologize. Allow me apologize that I kept you waiting this whole time. I went through everything. I had to bring back the history and all that to confirm definitely what you were saying. I'm so sorry that I kept you waiting. And today I'm going to trade for you, okay? Please kindly forgive me for that delay. Forgive me for all the mix that has been going on. I'm really so sorry about that. Please allow my apology and allow me move move forward with trading for you. At the end of the day, the reason as to why I have to sit down, take time, go through everything, it's because I always want to clarify every single thing. So I'm really so sorry about that delay. First of all, on your end, I have delayed you, I have wasted your time. I'm really so sorry about it. But I confirmed truthfully that time I did not trade. I don't know. I also had full information information in my mind that I had traded, but actually I watched everything. I did not trade for you. So I'm really so sorry about that. Please allow me do the trading today. Okay. Right, I'm seeing Ambrose over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Justice, a trader. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Okay, as I'm finalizing with my setup and all that. Let me be talking to my people in the chat section. Olga, hi, how you doing? Hope you are amazing. Hope you are well. On my end, I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. For the new people, you're most welcome. Please stick around, buy in, and let us have it. Let us enjoy the time that we spend together. We go for 2 hours each day. Okay, so please, it would be a pleasure for me to have you around for those 2 hours learning, getting better with our trading. So please stick around and let us see how the day is going to go. That is I think Surrender. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. So, elaborating more about the strategy, it could take a bit of time. What I did, I made some videos such that you take your time to go through, learn, understand how everything goes around. Okay, so that, um, um, with that, you will be able to see, understand something, understand some things. Please check out on my telegram account over there. You will find a video, at least for that, not a video, I put up something small for the start, for us to know what we are looking out for. Okay, I have been saying that for the entries, we are basically looking at our indicators. We are looking at the indicators and our candlestick patterns. Okay, luxury life. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. You had disappeared on me. How have you been? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Hope everything over there is great. All right, I'm saying. Okay, so over there we have a DJ system. DJ system. Okay, DJ system, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really, really feel good that at least you have accepted my apology for the wasted time, for the, everything that has been going on, checking here and there. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate, and definitely I pray for profits. I pray for profits, all right. Okay, Bible Boost. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Over here, Elena is doing great. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. Okay, so as we prepare, as we are getting a clear introduction here and there, allow me introduce to you. Today we are having a WTI crude oil OTC. That is what we are having. 500 US dollars, the amount that I've set it at, and 15 seconds. That is my time expiry. The alligator indicator as usual, and then the MACD backs up the alligator indicator. The one thing that I've been talking about for the past a couple of days, excluding the times that I've not been around, I've been talking about what I look at, what I consider for me to place in my trades, okay? The reason as why you are seeing these indicators over here, that is the alligator indicator, the MACD indicator, depending on which one you would love to use or one that you want to use. RSI, fractal, depending, zigzag, depending on the indicator that you are comfortable with using. The thing is, for my scalping, I consider so much these indicators, okay? I consider them so much. So for the alligator indicator, as we can see over here, so for the alligator indicator, as we can see over here, it is basically for the direction and still the strength of that particular direction that we are taking. So that way, when we are very sure that we are in an uptrend, it is strong enough, that is an opportunity for us to plus in a trade. The other thing that we look at or that we consider, we have three lines for the alligator indicator. We have the fastest, which is a green line, the red one is a medium, and then the blue line is the slowest. So what we consider so much is when the green line crosses these two lines, that is a signal for us that we should get ready. There is an opportunity coming our way. When the green line crosses moving upwards, that is an uptrend, all right? When it crosses facing downwards, that is a downtrend. So what does that mean? It means we can buy moving up, we can sell moving down, all right? So that is one thing that we look at. The other thing that we look at so much is the candlestick patterns. Okay, so these are the two things that we should be having knowledge of. When you sit down and you want to do scalping, you want to do this smaller short-term trading, these are the two things that I always look out for, okay? The indicators, the candlestick patterns. So that is where we should put our focus more so for us, the people who are determined to make some money this year, or actually to have profits this year. So candlestick patterns, when I talk about that, we are looking at the engulfing candles. I believe you know what those engulfing candles are. Then the closing above candles, the closing below candles. That is what we consider with our candlestick patterns. Okay, so like I started with putting up some information that is on Telegram. Please, if you are not yet there, if you have not yet gone through, I'm requesting you subscribe such that you are able to get that information for the start as we prepare for more tutorials to come to see exactly what we do, what happens, what is needed to be done. Okay, so at the end of the day, I want us to have the very best where you sit down and do the trades on your own. However little money you have, you can start if you are very sure that you have the knowledge that you need with our indicators, like I've said, then also the knowledge, the candlestick knowledge, that side. All right, so these are the things that we should spend most of our time looking at, understanding. When some people sit down and they are like, this is gambling, I would advise them to look at it in this way of gather the knowledge, get the knowledge, be perfect at it, then enter into the market, make money for yourself. Because if you are gambling, that simply means you are risking whatever you have, okay? Whatever you have. That is where risk management also comes in. Risk management. We are looking at risk management. What do you put into the market if you are going to place in a trade? Be sure that whatever you are putting in, be sure that whatever you are putting in, you are willing to lose it. What does that mean? Do not put in a lot that will hurt or that will blow up your account. What are we looking at? We are looking at protecting our account, building and growing our accounts. Okay, so please, risk management is very important, very important. Let us look at it so much, consider it so much as we are on this journey of trading. Okay, so those are the few words that I will keep giving you here and there. One, we have to know that binary options trading is not difficult, it's not complicated. We are not sitting down waiting for confirmations, okay? We are not sitting down waiting for confirmations. Here we are scalpers. What are we looking at? We use sniper entries, okay? That's why I keep saying that for us, we are dealing with smaller time frames. When you see 15 seconds for someone who has put in uh, who has put their labels, who has marked here and there, it will not work for them. Okay, so first we are looking at 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. That is where we are playing at. Okay, so we get these opportunities, placing a trade, get our profits, sit back and watch. Okay, so what is important is for us to get the knowledge that we need about these indicators, about the candlestick patterns. What do we need? What should we do? What should we improve? Okay, so please let us do that and we shall get there slowly but sure. Okay. All right. So that is Deban. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for tuning in from wherever you are tuning in. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate to each and every one of us. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. Do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us keep it here. We keep it amazing. We keep it interesting. At the same time, we learn, improve ourselves, become better in trading. Okay, so I am saying that is, I think, Dawn. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Hast over there. Hi, how are you, my dear? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. I really do appreciate day in, day out, whenever you are able to, you tune in. I really do appreciate you. Okay, Deban, once again, I promise me that we will always be live. I mean, forever. Forever I am with you. Forever I am with you. Each and every single day we are live. Each and every single day we are live for the few days. So for the few days that probably maybe you do not see me around, that was a few days back. You just know I have a few personal issues to handle, okay? But day in, day out, we are supposed to be together, okay? Baby, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect. Just fine. Okay, we are back. We are back. Okay, so over there I see Sam Mike. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, and we are having greetings all the way from Ghana. People from Ghana, big up to you. Big up to you. I send you my greetings. I send you my greetings over here. You are always, always, always well represented by Sir Mike. Greetings, 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 and too much love from your girl Lena. Okay, I'm saying that is Shana. Hi, Shana, how you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. It looks like today me and Shana we are trading together.
can make it, tell me what I wanna hear. Yeah, girl, just tell me what I wanna hear. I try to start again to find somebody, but I remember all the times and all the words he said. Yeah, I can't get it out of my head. Now I'm back at your door. You're looking at me unsure. I should have seen it before. You're all I think about, baby. I was so stupid for letting you go, but I know you're still the one. You might have moved on, but girl, you should know that I know you're still the one. I know it stays too much, but I won't ever give up. I was so stupid for letting you go. I know you're still the one.
Okay, right over here, I am seeing a video truck. Hi, video truck. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you come through. Okay, so I'm saying, Shana, I want to talk to you. Okay, please talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. If there is any information, probably maybe anything, reach out to me on a Telegram. Let us chat. Let me know what is on your mind, what is going on. Okay, a coffee, that is Coffee Bosco over there. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. For the people that are just coming in, happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Excited to be with you today. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let us see how each and everything goes around. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you.
You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true, it's you. They add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you'll never love yourself half as much as I love you. You never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know I'm here for you, maybe you love yourself like I love you. Oh, now just let these little things slip out of your mouth. 'Cause it's you, oh it's you, it's you. We add up to, and I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out mouth. But if it's true, it's you, it's you. They add up to. I'm in love with you and all your little things. I found love for me, darling. Just dive right in, follow my lead. I found
Okay.
you.
Sorry about the keeping quiet and all that. I'm just trying to organize the donations over here, and we see how to get into it.
Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes,
Okay,
you're
okay, okay.
mine, baby. I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. Singing to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling. You were perfect.
Okay, DJ system, hi, how are you? How are you doing? Hope you are well.
I found
Hope you are well over there. Okay, Simon, right, the way we can chat, is through a Telegram. So please send me a message there.
carry
Let
love,
us chat. Okay,
carry love,
that
carry
is
tears.
Muhammad.
See,
Muhammad.
I still kiss who is so in love.
Okay, hi, how are you? Hope you are well.
Be alright.
Mm,
Darling, just hold my hand.
mm,
Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see the future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms, barefoot on the grass. Listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you were perfect. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect.
oof, medalist over there. But regardless, we keep it going.
Me and my friends at the talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in
Okay,
love with
so
your body.
like I said earlier, what
Now my
we
bedsheets
need to
smell like you.
consider,
Every day
the
discovering
knowledge that we
something
need to
brand new.
get, the knowledge
I'm in
that we
love
need
with your
to gather,
body.
because at the end of the day, when you are doing these trades on your own, when you are doing these trades on your own, I cannot dictate what indicators you should use. On my end, I love using the alligator indicator backed up by the MACD indicator. Okay, so like I said, what do I consider? What do I look at? I look at these indicators, definitely that direction. I look at how strong is that direction. Then I look at the candlestick patterns. Okay, I look at those candlestick patterns. So when I look at my indicators, that is the MACD and the alligator indicator, I can easily see that the market is going up, the market is going down. Then when I combine that with my candlestick pattern, okay, what I talked about earlier, that is the engulfing candles, the close below candles, the close above candles. Definitely. I know that right about now, with this engulfing candle, and I'm moving in an uptrend or I'm moving in a downtrend, definitely there I know exactly where to place in a buy and where to place in a sell from. Okay, so that is I move between my alligator in my indicators and my candlestick patterns. So that is the knowledge that we need to acquire, which I'm trying to see that at least I put up something for us to have that information that we need. Okay, and then definitely things will become much easier.
I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get harder sometimes. It is the only thing makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. Make these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes are not closed, our hearts are not broken. Time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Loving can quench your soul, and it's the only thing that I swear will be easier. Will I put every piece here? It's the only thing with us when we die. Keep this love in its photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. With our eyes never closing, hearts will never broken, times forever frozen. So you can be inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, it's okay, baby, only once. Please, inside these pages, you just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Before we come home, before we come home, before we come home, before we come home. Oh, you can feel me inside the necklace you got when you were 16. Next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only once, please. Inside these pages, you just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When you're away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me, come home. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could do for less. Heart at 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't feel the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan. I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. Baby, now, take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. Thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. Baby, now, take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh, darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. Well, maybe we found love right where we are. We found love right where we are. Time you come around, you know I can say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights sitting alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space. And I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started on the neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. My bad habits lead to nights sitting alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space. And I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you.
Okay, so there we are. I am ready. Okay, I'm seeing a few people who have sent in their concerns. Okay, I'm seeing Shana over there. So, anyways, for the donation on the donations part, we are ready to go. We are ready to go, and I'm definitely going to be sharing with you the list. The list on your chart over there, such that we do trade together. Okay, so I first have to get what is mine, and then we get started.
Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down to my hands, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me.
Okay, so as we definitely, I always share that list on the chat over there. Mm.
I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. We let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. Leaving you in a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me.
Okay, so that is a flame over there, 550 US dollars, 5 atoms.
Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby. 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 Come on, be my baby.
Okay, so like I said, that is for a flame. 550 US dollars, and he is our very first person that we are trading for today.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. My baby. Come on, I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eye. Can you take my hand, finish my drink, say, shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah. I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in? 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can hear ourselves. Pictureless, I'd rather kiss them right back. With all these people all around, I'm crippled with anxiety. But I'm slow as where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't mind. Can you make it better like that? Don't we fit this party? Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah, yeah. When we walked in, I said I'm sorry. But now I think that
Okay, so let us have the list on our chat over there.
my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like
So
maybe I
that is
am
our first. That is our first list. Let us get started off with a flame.
as long as you just hold me in, you can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with you. No, I don't like nobody but you. Said you're the only one here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. I don't care. I don't like nobody but you. I hate everyone here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. Yeah. 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. All the bad things disappear. Making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can be anywhere. Making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Yeah.
Okay, let us sell here. We are into it for phlegm.
Like we're the stars of the human race, human race. When the lights turn down, they don't know what they heard. Something much better now, giving love to the world. We'll be raising our hands, shining up to the sky. 'Cause we got the fire, fire, fire. Yeah, we got the fire, fire, fire. And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. Gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We don't wanna leave. No, we just wanna be right now, right now. And what we see is everybody's on the
Okay, we give it one more attempt. We see on our first attempt we have made a loss, so let us give it another try and we see. Like I keep saying, or like you keep saying in my terms and conditions for the donations, when I lose the first attempt, I retrade for you again using my own money, and then we start from there. On the second attempt, if you make a loss, then sorry. That's why I always encourage you before you send in the donations, you go through the terms and conditions such that we know exactly what is going on, what is expected of you, what you as well expect from me.
We can light it up, up, up. They gon' put it out, out, out. We can light it up, up, up. They gon' put it out, out, out. We can light it up, up, up. They gon' put it out, out, out. We can light it up, up.
Okay, T Prince. Hi, T Prince. How are you doing? Hope you are well. I'm seeing Kim Fu. Hi, how are you doing? Okay, so right about now we are into the donations. First, I always have a full hour to personal trading. That is when I do my personal trades and I chat more with the people in the chat section, explain a lot about the indicators, the trading, we learn here and there. So in our second hour, that is when I do donations. People send in their money for me to trade for them. Okay, so right about now, that is what is going on. Okay.
I was at the top and I was like I'm in the basement. Number one spot, now she found her own replacement. I swear now I can't take it. Knowing somebody's got my baby. And now you ain't around, baby, I can't think. I should've put it down, should've got that ring. 'Cause I can still feel it in the air. See a pretty face, run my fingers through her hair. My love, my life, my charm, my wife. She left me, I'm I see her face at every turn. Trying to get my usher on, but I can't let it burn. And I just hope she know that she the only one I yearn for. What I learned, didn't give up on my love. I guess now I got my payback. Now I'm in the club thinking all about my baby. Hey, she so easy to love. But wait, I guess that love wasn't enough. I'm going through it every time that I'm alone. And now I'm wishing she pick up the phone. But she made the decision that she wanted to move on. Cause I was wrong. And I was thinking about her. Thinking about me. Thinking about who we gonna be. Open my
Okay, so we have our first plus. We have four more atoms to go because we are going in for 5 atoms. Okay, so one is down, four remaining.
Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. Spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. Spent the late nights making things right between us. Now it's all good, babe. But I got wood, babe. Let me close. Girls like you run around with guys like me to sundown when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
Over there, I see a Ruth. Hi, Ruth. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. And I am seeing a video track over there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the interaction, for the chatting with people here and there. I'm really grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have really missed you so much for the time you have been away. Let me hope all is well with you. Let me hope all is well with you. Okay, that is King Emmanuel. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope all is well over there. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Excited to have you around. I will like you. Thank you, Vida Track. Thank you very much. Abibat, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Yes, definitely as we plus in. Okay.
Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe you thinking it's better if you die. Oh, these girls like you run around with guys like me. Just find out when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah.
Oof.
Not too long ago, I was dancing without it. No, it's really rude if I let you be my mom. You don't want a girl
Oh.
like me. I'm too crazy for every other girl you meet.
On our second attempt, we have made a loss, so sorry about that. That is for Flam. Sorry about that. My apologies. Loss on 400 US dollars, 2 attempts.
I don't care when it comes to my heart. Let's get it though. I don't really want to white horse in the cap. I'm thinking more white horse is a cat. I need it right here, cause every time you fall, I play with this kitty like you play with your guitar. I need a girl like you.
Okay. All right, all right, all right. Look at that. Look at that, and definitely we have a very, very fast winner over there. Congratulations. Congratulations to Lawson.
She works the night by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from my father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. Daily struggle. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love.
Okay, so as I withdraw to Lawson's wallet.
You're gonna go and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby.
Alex over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Video Shark, thank you very much for the engagement. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. Roland, hi Roland, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are okay. So that is for Lawson. Next we have Nico, 350 US dollars, 2 attempts.
Already much disappear. In a wrong bar, can't find it nowhere. Steadily you workflow, me believe you know, so you're not stop, no time for your dear. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love. No one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got
Okay.
you, rock-a-bye.
So then we have just one more attempt to go. Oh, so sorry. That is for Nico. On our second attempt, we have made a loss. So sorry about that, Nico.
Now she got a 6-year-old,
Okay, while that is 550 US dollars, we are looking at two atoms.
She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. Stay up there. Stay up there. Me your life. Ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do.
On our first attempt, we have made a loss. Let us give it a second try. We see.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I
Okay,
never knew you
we have
were
the second attempt over here.
we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So right about now we have a plus. That is for wild folk. Congratulations, congratulations.
and in your eyes, you're holding mine.
Baby,
Dancing in the dark.
okay, so next, as I withdraw into Wild Folk and this wallet, next we shall be having DJ system that is 410 3 atoms. Darling, darling, you are perfect.
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. Yes, it is who is so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright.
Okay, we are into it right about now, and we need profits.
Dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I
Okay,
don't
so for our first attempt, we have
fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money. As long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money. As long as I keep dancing. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday, it won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday, and it won't be long till I hit the guns flow. The guns flow. I got what I need. Oh, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money. As long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So sorry about that. That is for DJ system. That is for DJ system. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. We have made a loss over there. Today, market fluctuation is crazy. Oh goodness. I sold 900 US dollars one attempt.
As long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money. As long as I keep dancing.
Okay, so that is a plus for us. Congratulations, that is for Soul. Congratulations over there.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly with her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her kissed her Monte and she let me. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you
Okay,
search
Ethereum
for,
wallet, that is for Sol. Congratulations. Next is Antoine, that is 350 US dollars. We are looking at a take profit of 4K. Just the way you right. Victor over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Shadow, I see you. So for that information, please check out my YouTube bio. There is a donations link. You click on it, go through the terms and conditions. Down there, the steps are quite easy. That is where I ask you for your name, and after the name, you put in the amount that you want me to trade for you. 350 US dollars, that is the minimum. Then after that, you send in how many times do you want me to trade for you? 2 times, three, four, like that. After, the other very very important thing is for you to send me your crypto wallet. That is where I deposit your profits after a win. So that's how the process goes. You go through, check out in my YouTube bio. You will get all the full details about the donations. Risk management is very important, okay? And I urge you to know that. Okay, so on our first attempt, we have made a loss. Let us give it one more try. We'll see. Shadow, no, I will not be able to trade it today. If you send in a donation, that will be for tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, depending on how long or how big my list is. But definitely, when it is sent in a bit, let me say, if you send it in now for tomorrow, because today I cannot promise you anything. I can't, because first of all, time is already out and I still have a long list right here. Okay, so that will be for tomorrow or like that. Okay, so let us give it one more try. Remember, we are looking at a take profit of 4K. You're welcome. You are welcome. Yes, please, Shadow. You can make a donation and I will definitely find it there. Oof. Still, I have made a loss over there, so sorry about that. We were looking at our take profit as 4K, but first attempt we made a loss. Even the second attempt we have made a loss. Yes, please. That is for a Paco. Yes, please. You can still send in. You can still send in the donation today, even if it is to be traded tomorrow or even the day after tomorrow. You send it in. I have it, and I do trade it for you. Thank you very much. Okay, so that is for Sana 2K, one attempt.
Something about your body says, come and take me, baby girl. Got me begging, got me hoping that the night don't stop. That body coming, don't stop. Bailando, 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 bailando. Oye, mío, llenando el pasillo, subiendo y bajando. Subiendo y bajando. Bailando, 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 bailando. Ese fuego por dentro me va enloqueciendo, me va saturando. Girl, I like the way you move. Come on, show me what you do. You can tell me that you want me, girl. You got nothing to lose. I can't wait no more. Ya no puedo más. I can't wait no more. Ya no puedo más. She a call up on me and set it, but you know say me no bet it. Me a tell her nothing bet it. Anytime when we get it, it's gonna be alright.
Let me sell here.
Doing this all night. Baby, I wanna be contigo, live contigo, and dance contigo, bailar contigo una noche, una noche. Ay, saltigo. I wanna be contigo, live contigo.
Right, we have a plus over here that is for Sana. Congratulations. Congratulations to Sana.
You got me spinning, got me crazy, got me hypnotized. I need your love, I need you closer. Baby girl, keep me begging, keep me hoping that the night don't stop. That body coming, don't stop. Bailando, 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 bailando. Oye, frío, ando el vacío, subiendo y bajando. Subiendo y bajando. Bailando, bailando, bailando. Ese fuego por dentro me va enloqueciendo. Girl, I like the way you move. Come on, show me what you do. You can tell me that you want me, girl. You got nothing to lose. I can't wait no more. I can't wait no more. She a call up on me and set it, but you know say me no bet it. Me a tell her not to bet it. Anytime when we get it, it's gonna be alright. Let's get the full flight. We're doing this all night. Baby, I wanna be contigo, live contigo, and dance contigo, bailar contigo, una noche. Ay, saltigo. I wanna be contigo, live contigo, dance contigo, bailar contigo, una noche. Bang, bang, bang. Una loca. Baby girl, you're the bomb, and it's hot, hot, killing them with the one shot, the way you move, girl. Baby, heartbeat fantastic, and it's a they're not gonna stop, girl. Let me heart burn, and you twist it and turn. Energy you give me, girl, and you run the world. Sexy body shape when you pull up on the curve. Let me body test to a rise up in nerve. Long time I look tell you to listen my word. Just baby girl, stay with me, girl. Just play with me, girl. Just baby girl. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your moment for making you. Standing ovation, they did a great job. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You gotta mean, but you can't refuse.
Okay, so for today we are going to stop on Sana. Congratulations to you. The rest we shall continue tomorrow. We shall continue tomorrow. I'm just having these distractions here and there. So with the rest for the donations, the list is still long, but for those that you are seeing on the screen over there, two of them, I will start from there tomorrow, then continue with the list the way it's going. Okay. Okay, so Kofi, hi Kofi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for always sending in a message. Always, okay. That is Vovo Cafe. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you very much. And like I keep saying, it's something that is easy to learn, something that it's not complicated. With binary options, it's not complicated. So you, me, we can all learn it and become good traders. Okay, that is Abibat. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. So for the remaining minutes, I'm going to get back into the personal trading. Let us chat. Let me hear from you. First of all, congratulations to those that have made profits. Today, the market has not been so friendly as we have seen. For those that have made losses, I'm so sorry. My sincere apologies to you. So we are back into the personal trading. That is Joshua. Hi, Joshua. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing great yourself over there.
You gotta go, girl, I don't know how to say it. You know I try, but I don't do too well.
Okay, that is for GM. Which trading platform? That is a pocket option. Okay, that is pocket option. And I'm seeing Molindwa over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. And Brenny, hi Brenny, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. For the new people that are just sending in messages, are just joining us for the very first time, please send. Sorry about that. For the people that are just joining in for the very first time, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Let us stick it here. Let us keep going together, moving together. Okay. Sam, I don't have a wallet. Um, That simply means you definitely have to be able to create one. You need to create one. Okay.
Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body.
How to go in WhatsApp group. Oh, hi, how are you doing? That is Kasimu. There is no WhatsApp group, but where we can chat, we can have a conversation that is on Telegram. So you will go in my bio, get the Telegram link, open, subscribe, and then you will be able to chat with me over there. Okay, so back to I saw a number of people that wanted to send in donations or wanted to send in money for me to trade for them. This is what I always talk about. This is what I always encourage. Sending in your money to trade for me, well and good. But there are certain things that I always encourage you, or there are certain things that I talk to you about that we need to know before sending in the money for the donations. One, risk management. I always encourage that we do not send in our last savings, okay? Or we do not sit down and collect money to send to Lena to trade for us because we believe she is going to make for us profits. That thinking is a good one, but I'm someone who looks at my people sending in something very well knowing how the market operates, okay? You send in something very well knowing how the market operates. I cannot, I do not control the market. That is number one. Number two, the market is unpredictable. We think of profits all the time, but what if the market just decides to go the opposite way? What happens? Okay. Okay, so that simply means we need to send in something that we are willing to lose just in case market fluctuation. There are a number of factors that could lead someone to making losses. However much we have the information that we need, but what if it does not go on the side of profit like we anticipated or like we thought? So risk management is very, very important. Sending something that you are willing to lose One, do not send in your very last savings. Do not send in the money that you are holding on to, what is left on your account. Okay, I always talk about that, and I encourage people to always send in something that you are willing to lose, just in case things do not go the way we expect them to go. Because at the end of the day, I do not want you to be angry with me, to be mad at me for losing what you sent in. Market is unpredictable. We do not control the market. Okay. So risk management is very, very important. I talk about it so much because I know how it feels when you lose your last savings or your last money that you have on you, right? So, with the people going to send in donations, please look out for that. Know that I'm so big on risk management. Okay. And then I saw some people that were talking about trading, how they've been trading for some time, how they want me to teach them, how they want me to tell them how exactly I do this, I